Hi, do you want your keyboard to not have the plastic anymore? Because who would want this? Am I right? First, what you want to do is unplug your keyboard. Once you unplug your keyboard, you're going to get keycap puller. Yep. Okay. So after you do that, you also want to get rid of the wrist rest. So just detach the wrist rest. Then you don't flip the keyboard to the back. Don't worry, the keyboard's just going to be fine. I got a little bit anxiety by putting it like this. Alright, and then you're going to grab a very small screwdriver. You're then going to unscrew it counterclockwise. Once you unscrew it, you're ready to go to the final step. Once you do that, you don't flip the keyboard forward back to its original position. And then you're going to lift off the plastic that is on the top frame. Yup. Just lift that off. I'm not gonna because I have it screwed, because I already did this process. Then you're gonna use the keypad puller and then get the keycaps out. After you got all the keycaps out, or don't rip it, just take out the plastic out of the keyboard. Now, do not, and I mean this, do not take out the plastic on the dedicated media keys, and I just didn't. I don't know if anything happens, but I just wouldn't recommend doing it. So after you're done, you did it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and here's the typing test.